answer.
Hi. Have a good morning. Have a good
I like the
morning.
circle.
I like that.
Hi. Have a good morning. Have a good morning.
All my homies will try today. Everyone's fly today. All we gotta do is try today. Hey, we're gonna have a good day.
I like your cake.
No, we're about to get real. Like on it. Yeah, One, two, three. Oh,
Morning, Selma.
good morning, Selma.
Favorite thing about fall?
I like Highland and Muffers and Jumping. It's like this place, and it's all mixed up. It's called Believe It or Not.
Ooh.
Jumping in the leaves in my trampoline.
Welcome to Williams Pizza Shop. What, you need
This
this
one's
too?
Pizza Food
Okay.
Shop.
So I'll let you take a minute to look at the menu. 4 and then 2 more.
6.
All right, sir, that would be $6, please.
Look at me! Look,
We're doing Robert Indiana-inspired three-dimensional letter sculptures.
of whatever letter we want, and yeah.
It's Wednesday, October 1st, 2025. What will we have cooked alive? Oh, we got a lot to fix today.
There needs to be a comma between Wednesday and October.
3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. Hey!
24, 27, 30, 32,
36. Hey!
20,
25,
30, right?
The drone. And also the biggest destroyer. And the tiger monster. I am making a glitch tent. I'm making everything. I'm making 2 rubies. I'm making a teddy bear. You are a giant rocket. Oh. What I bet. Not even a piece.
Say it with me. Area. Okay, let's do lake, time, width.
They're doing what they're supposed to in class. They're being polite. They're being respectful. Are they perfect? No, because none of us are perfect, but they do their best, just like you guys do every day.
SS. So we're going to put this and S at the beginning of our words.
Ready, go! From the inside out.
And Santa was smiling on stage.
From the inside out. Good job. I'm the only one with my voice. My voice. My voice.
Okay, good. Here comes the bridge, and we're waiting.
Go. Pour it under your chest when you have it. Thumbs up when you have it.
You
Isn't.
isn't. Mustard. We're not cooking mustard, we're cooking pancakes.
You're doing a great job with those.
Gotta use our heads to keep it on the line. Woo! She's beating me!
Let's get spinning! Yeah.
Vincent,
11.
11 minus what?
8.
9. 8.
Last night I counted what I've saved in my piggy bank, and my mother said I could bring you home.
Making circles on the ground. His neck was gently swaying and his tail was swishing round.
Bye, subscribe and follow!